Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to rename your Marshall WOBURN III speaker in your Android device. So, at first we need to go to settings, and here we have to go to connect devices. Now we have to tap this gear icon, and here you'll see the pen icon near the name, WOBURN III. Here we can now modify our name. So we can, for example, go at the beginning, and here we can now type our name. So we can, for example, type HardReset.Info WOBURN III. HardReset.Info WOBURN III. Rename. Now, as you can see, we do have our name changed. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.